To our second episode of Solo Not Sorry. So as I said in my intro, but before I do that, welcome to our new subscribers, for those of you that just joined me. For everyone else that's a regular in my channel, I welcome you. This is your girl, definitely to me, you know, where we talk about lifestyle, travel, and everything else in between. Okay. Let me just go through what I have in my pack as I travel. As you saw, the first one I want to speak to, let me just put this here. The first one that I want to address is that I always have a fanny pack. And for the ladies, I have what I put in my fanny pack. Sorry guys, but I basically wrap up money. I've got to buy like currencies here, but I wrap up money and put it here. No thief is gonna find that. So that's a fanny pack that basically goes around my waist. The most important is this, and I keep the CO alarm in my home as well. These are like 12 pounds, I believe. You can find them at the airport. Grab one, you're good to go. That's that. I also have this first aid kit, which I also have one for home and one for travel. And it's basically got like your basic things, your band-aids, all the things you will need. Stuff like that. I try to see if there's prices that I can find, because this I travel with all the way from South Africa as well. And then my favorite is the tag. I like carrying this tag. This is where I put usually my passports, but this is your Apple tag that you can put anywhere where you feel it's safe. So this is just a fraction of what I usually carry, because another thing is always carry a copy of your passport documentation in case you lose anything, So guys, I hope this is helpful for you. If you have more you want to share with us, please comment. Send me a comment. I do my best to share as much as I can, and I'm hoping that the information that I provide is able to assist you. But please also be aware that I'm not an advisor as such, as it said on my disclaimer. It's just me exploring and learning. Oh, the one thing that I also just started to look into is the doorstop, because I'm sure you've seen on some of my videos, and I'll stick it up here, but it's always
the one that I like, because if someone tries to open your door, especially if you're traveling single as a woman, the alarm will hit. That at least someone will be aware that, like I realize in some of the hotels, I don't know if it's because of space, you'll find that, I haven't seen that in South Africa, maybe I missed it, but here I've seen that, sometimes you're sharing literally a door with your neighbor, so they could push as much as they can, and there you are, they're inside your room. So yeah, guys, I will be following this up with the last episode, but I'm hoping that you're enjoying the solo not soy. It's becoming like a thing for me. I'm enjoying it, educating others on how to travel safely, especially women that are traveling single. You've seen the story. So anyway, thank you very much, guys. Subscribe, hit that like button so that somebody else can see the video, and share with someone. Yeah, appreciate you all. Take care.